The way you speak defines your personality more than the words you choose. Consider a situation where a teacher calls your name and you respond with yes, and now imagine replying, "Yes sir, how may I assist you?" That really small difference can create a lasting impression. In today's session, you'll learn about most essential, formal and polite expressions of English language. Especially, it is tailored for school communication. See, subtopic 1. The importance of formal English in academic life. This reflects your discipline and your maturity. When students use their courteous language, it reflects positively upon their upbringings and education. For example, when at the place of saying, "Excuse me, may I speak now?" instead of interrupting a teacher, if you use this also enhances the confidence in public speaking because you're really polite. See, students who adopt a formal expression feel more confident during class presentation, assemblies, and even in oral assessments. It also upgrades your everyday expressions in communication. What? No. I beg your pardon? Tell me. Could you repeat that? I want this. I'd like to request this item, please. Wait. Kindly allow me a moment. I don't know. I'm not really certain about this, sir. See, if you saw this, you actually felt it, right? If you incorporate one or two of these in your school, then trust me, you'll be consistent on this. Let's learn about the most useful expressions for this classroom. See, if you want to request for any permission, ask, "May I come in, sir?" Or, "Could you kindly be excused for a moment?" Or, I apologize for arriving late." If you want to address teachers with due respect, then say, "Good morning, sir." "Good morning, respected ma'am." Or, "Thank you so much for your explanation on this matter." Or, "I sincerely appreciate for your guidance." If you are participating in class discussion, then here's what you need to speak. "May I add a point on this, sir?" Or some more sentences like this. "Pardon me, but I have a question regarding this topic." Or, "Would your kind permission be there if I'd like to express my opinion on this matter?" There can be more sentences. If you use any polite communication with peers and guests, then here are certain, even when speaking to your classmate or guest at school event, or maintaining a polite tone is a sign of maturity. For example, "It's a pleasure to meet you." Or, "Would you like me to assist you on this assignment?" Or, "I appreciate your effort on this project." Or, "Shall I discuss this after the class? Does that suit you?" See, there can be role play examples. Instead of saying, "Bro, समझा दो." No. Could you kindly explain this concept once more, please? चलिए समझते हैं हमने इसे सीखा क्या है. Begin your sentence with "May I?" "Could you?" "Would you?" "Kindly?" "Pardon me?" "Excuse me." These are markers for good manners. Always address your authorities with "sir" or "ma'am." More things that we have learned is formal English enhances not only how you speak, but how you're perceived to people, how people see you, how people treat you. See, there can be regular uses of these expressions, which has to be built over respectful communication, and it also boosts your confidence. There can be polite subscription appeal. If this video has helped you learning the formal English, the standard form of English, and a good behavioral English to enrich your English communication, then I actually request you to subscribe to Vision Spoken English so that next video can help you more than this video did. See you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.